Hey guys, how you doing? It's the Honeydew Carpenter, and the always beautiful Mrs. Honeydew Carpenter is behind the camera. Now, Mrs. Honeydew has put together an awesome video for you guys today, and it's all about the crane that I built. Now, in a prior video, I did one about the small crane that I built to do the aircrete shed, and I explained in that video that it's one of the most important elements of that build, because you can scale it to whatever size you need. And with our 14-foot tall steel building panel walls and with 8-foot tall trusses, we needed one that would lift at least 24 feet high. And so I built one like that. I took an old engine hoist that was in a junkyard, and I extended it 10 feet because it originally would only extend up a little over 12 feet, I think, or 14 feet. And instead of concrete bags like I did in the previous video with the previous crane, I used a water tank as the ballast, and I put about 1,000 pounds of water in it, about 125 gallons. And man, this thing works great. Our aircrete home build is behind us in the backdrop. That crane was used to erect this entire building, and it has done an absolute fabulous job. So this is one of the most important elements of this, and being able to get the home build done, is that crane. Now, just as a teaser for videos to come, we've got stuff coming about building the trusses and building the walls, and how I put a tent around our bathroom so I could build the whole house around the bathroom so we could still use it. But every hollow wall orifice in this house, all the steel building panels, everything is going to be filled with aircrete. This is basically going to be a fireproof structure with just tons of firewalls everywhere. That's what makes buildings so susceptible to fire, is the hollow walls in there. They're all just a bunch of little individual chimneys, and once a fire gets started in a wall, that's what makes them just take off. But if you fill those cavities and you do it with something fireproof like aircrete, oh my gosh, it's a thermal mass, it's a insulation, and it's a deterrent like that. And so I want you guys to stay tuned on all the different elements of this build, and we're going to have a good time with this one.
Alright, so Darwin built a crane. You see that? It goes clear up there. Now we are going to use this crane that he built to lift this piece of metal wall. Siding. Bones. What do you call that, Darwin?
Steel building wall panel.
Steel building wall panel. Okay. Do you think it'll lift, Darwin?
I don't know. This is its maiden voyage. Yeah, it will.